Hello viewers. Microsoft is testing a new feature in Windows 11 that will make updating your apps much easier. Right now, updating apps through the Microsoft Store can be confusing, especially because some apps use their own update system, and some users even uninstall the store. IT admins also struggle with managing different update sources across Windows. In the latest Windows Insider build, a new App Updates page has appeared inside the Settings app under the Apps section. Here, you can see all the apps that support updates through Windows Update, all in one place. You can also check the last time each app was updated. The Check for Updates button isn't fully working yet, but this clearly shows that Microsoft is planning a unified update system where apps, drivers, and Windows updates all come from one platform. This will be very helpful for IT admins and enterprise users, but regular users will also benefit from the convenience. What do you think? Would you like all your app updates to appear in one simple location? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.